Right, it's not 20 minutes yet, guys, but I'm pretty confident this car is fixed. I've got to go to Southampton to get parts, and I still got 4 cars to work on, so I've got to crack on. So yeah, so just under, well, nearly 20 minutes. By the time we finish this, will be 20 minutes. Hasn't missed a beat. Sounds good. Everything works. Turbo works. And I like how that needle is so steady there now. So it's definitely fixed the car. I'm surprised. I really didn't think that was going to fix the car. But, you know, I was ready to give the car back. I said, look, I found the problem. Now, get the guy to fix, you know, to put everything back how it was, and then we can carry on. But, yeah, his shout was, yeah, get out the solenoid. If it doesn't work, send it back. Fine. It has fixed the car. Interesting, there was the resistance was a little bit higher, so maybe that was the issue there, you know, the issue could see that and you know, and drop the signal, the control for the solenoid. But yeah, I've got to crack on. I'm gonna ship this car now. The car's fixed, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. 22 past, nearly there, nearly 20 minutes. I wanted to wait for 20 minutes, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to, because I've got to go to Southampton. It's an hour away, and I've got another 4 cars. Unbelievable. I've got to run. Bye, guys.